In Baltimore, work is coming along on those plans to rebuild the Francis Scott Key Bridge. You might remember that bridge collapsed after being hit by a cargo ship. This was in March of 2023. 6 construction workers died in that collision. A design for a new bridge was unveiled earlier this year. That site is now considered an active construction zone. Kate Amara has the update.
So we're on a boat today in the middle of the Patapsco to give you an up-close look at a crucial pre-construction project at the site of the Key Bridge rebuild project. This is the test pile program. There's massive cranes, a gigantic hammer, and 12 220-foot-long steel piles that they're driving down into the bed of the river where they want to put the foundation. It really is hard to tell the sheer size of this, the scope of it. Can you put the things we're seeing in regular people terms? Start with the barge.
The barge is approximately the size of a football field, and the hammer is over 8 feet in diameter and more than 50 feet tall.
That's 50.
It's a hydraulic hammer. They lower it on top of that pile and they just pound it into the ground.
This is all to verify the piles will be able to support the structure of the new Key Bridge.
We're putting them in the locations where we expect the permanent pile to be, so they have to be precise in order to be utilized as part of the ultimate foundation.
Engineers say they've driven 8 of the 12 test piles so far and learned important information in the process.
And the piles went down into the river. We have to vibrate them a little bit initially just to kind of set them in place, but it confirmed it went through that soupy material right to that hard layer like we had anticipated, and they're founded in that same hard layer.
Officials say they won't know for sure until the load test on these piles is complete, but you could be looking at one or more pieces of the new Key Bridge.
That was Kate Amara reporting. The bridge, by the way, is expected to be about 2 miles long, tentatively scheduled to open in the fall of 2028.